there's anyone in the one act that's not on stage and in the audience, if you'll come up here real quick, please. All right, this isn't going to take long, guys, but I know that most of you know. About our state championship for the second year in a row. And I just want to take a moment to recognize these kids, because I can tell you, and you can ask Sarah Jane, who came in here as a DV dancer, thinking, oh, I'm just going to come in and do a couple dances, no big deal. It was a big deal. And they will tell you that there is a lot of work that goes into this show that you don't see. And these kids gave up hours after hour every week. Also, I want to, if you were in stagecraft, first or second hour, stand up. Stagecraft, come on, come on. Also, for the second year in a row, we won the Tech Award, which is, it's a lot of things. It's our set, it's our lights, it's our sound, it's our scene changes, so many people involved. What? Yes. And on soundboard, we had the wonderful, the gifted, the talented, Ryan Raging My Dough. So let's give it up for Ryan. So if you see these guys in the hallway, give them a high five, give them a big hug. Congratulations, because they worked really hard. Also, I want to give a shout out to you guys. Just like 30 more seconds. Okay. When we did the show here at school that Thursday night, that was probably the biggest crowd I've had for production. So thank you for your support, and I hope that you keep it up. So one more hand for these guys.